Hello, so there's not really like an introduction for this vlog, but we went to New Buffalo, Michigan with my friends and we had a great time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, whatever. I don't really care. Don't subscribe if you don't want to, whatever. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm in Michigan with my friends. That's Maddie, that's Grace. Where's Julia?
Where's Julia?
We're just chilling with the bros.
Guys being dudes.
I'm eating a sandwich. It's veggie, super good. It's Julia's B-Day celebration. Where's Julia? I literally can't see.
I'm right there.
Can you see yourself? No. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, bye. Peace out. Hey vlog, I'm back again. Just wanted to let you know that I'm tanning right now. Actually, that's like the shade is right there. I'm here with Julia. How are you feeling?
Feeling great. Feeling fresh and clean after being in the dirty lake. Feeling super great.
That's nasty. Here in my house, we only tan.
That's pretty lame, not gonna lie.
I don't get in the water, sorry. Because only lame people get in the water.
I think it's pretty lame that you don't get in the water.
Anyway, Grace is complaining because her hands are dirty. What a freaking flop.
Shut up.
The sand got on my face.
Are you still vlogging?
Yeah. You just ruined my vlog.
Few inches later.
Hey vlog, we're here again. Oh my god! You're so... Wait, I didn't know it was that bad. It looks like... It looks worse.
I'm literally like pink.
Comment if she's cute.
I'm ugly. I'm ugly. I'm just a bit ugly.
There's Maddie. She's really not that burnt. There's Julia.
That was a really cute
I got
waiter.
burned like everywhere but my face. I love this. It's just a lot of hair.
He's not working like the outside, he's working like the main.
Okay, well,
I thought I saw the kid from the...
I'm dehydrated and
straws, so that's cool.
yeah, this place has freaking paper straws. Clink, clink,
We love
clink.
the ASMR part of the vlog.
I smell really bad. They don't want to tell me that I smell bad, but I know that I do. I do smell bad. I know. I sweat a lot.
Look how cute you are. You two are. So
That's cute.
Why do I look like a frat?
Oh, can you send them to me? Okay, bye vlog.
1 hour later.
We're back and we're better.
No, we're not. We're literally like dying. I mean, I feel like less cranky now that I have food, but like I'm still like tired.
I've got a new pep in my Are you joking?
We're cute or whatever.
Or what, like, no,
Or like whatever. Comment if I'm cute.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of have to fart.
Me.
I was literally farting and I was walking, but I just exposed myself.
Well, if I should kill everyone in the room.
And they're my mom.
And then me.
What's my mom gonna do about it? Do me? Like, no, I'll be dead.
Oh my god.
Oh, I love this.
I'll change my spin by the way. My mom's gonna do.
Okay, well, I went to a store and I got overwhelmed by the amount of people, and we left.
And now we're going to the it's called like the T-shirt factory to get shirts to commemorate the trip.
To commemorate the trip.
Fun! Okay, bye
I'm getting a
vlog.
cramp.
Yikes. Oh, you want to sit down?
No.
Okay, bye.
5 minutes later.
I love this
let's go
song.
in here. Woo.
Is this it?
Yeah.
They have freaking sweatshirts. Heck yeah. Hello. Look at wait. Oh, I love this. Okay, well, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
A few moments later.
Oh shoot. My shoe is broken.
Honestly, that man's probably just waiting for you to join him.
I'm just gonna go join him and be like,
Why is there
so
no
can
dog?
I sing?
Why did no one bring their dogs out?
Do they have dogs here? They have dogs everywhere, Pris. You're just dumb. This place is cute. There's Maddie and Grace, and I'm with Julia.
I really have to fart again. Then fart.
Also, it ended very abruptly, and I'm sorry. I suck. Alright, bye.
Is everybody gone? Huh? Good.